Hey lovelies, I am Mama Triple N and you are all welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is all about garden egg sauce, also known as eggplant. Don't miss this video for anything. Make sure you watch from the start till the end. Alright, let's go. So I'm going to use turkey meat and fish, mackerel fish for this recipe. As you can see, I've already washed my turkey. I added thyme, onions, Maggi cube, and then I'm going to add a little amount of water, stir properly, and then cover to start cooking. After cooking the meat, I'm going to add it with the mackerel fish and put it in the air fryer. As you can see, I added a little amount of salt to my mackerel fish, and then I'm going to stir properly, and after that I'm going to put it in the air fryer together with my already cooked turkey meat. Okay, so as you can see, I have my garden egg here, which I'm going to wash properly, and after washing I'm going to boil it as well. So now I'm going to put my turkey and fish in the air fryer. That's the water I used from cooking the meat. So I'm going to put that aside, and now I'm going to cover my garden egg, which I've already washed, and yes, as you can see, it is still boiling. So now I'm going to add my crayfish and my already washed tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, also known as fresh pepper, onions. Now I'm going to blend. I decided to use this blender because I don't want it to be too smooth. So as you can see, the fish and turkey is still in the air fryer, and right about now my garden egg is already cooked like how I want it to be. So I'm just going to use cold water to rinse it like I want it to be cold so that I can start peeling off the skin. Okay, the reason for peeling off the skin is because I don't want it to be bitter. Okay, if I don't peel the skin off, it always has that bitter taste. Okay, and that is what I don't want. So that's the reason for me peeling off the skin. So now I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of garden egg, and I have to use this to mash the garden egg. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of garden egg. As you can see, the turkey and mackerel fish is ready. So garden egg is a rich source of iron, which helps to increase the red blood cells in the body. It also fights against anemia or iron deficiency. Wow, amazing, isn't it? So I just have to mix my oil, my palm oil, and the vegetable oil. So please guys, continue watching while I tell you some of the other benefits of garden egg. Garden eggs are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K. They also contain potassium, magnesium, and iron. Like I said, they are very low in calories and fats, and it is also a good source of dietary fiber. Wow, amazing. Garden egg helps digestion. It is good for pregnant women. It is good for the vision, like for the eyes. Okay, it is rich in antioxidants. It is also good for weight loss. Wow guys, it's just amazing what garden egg does for the body. So after adding the turkey meat, I'm going to of course cover to let it cook a little. Remember, I already fried the turkey meat. It's a little bit hard. So now after letting it cook a little, I open the pot. Now I'm going to add the garden egg to the pan. So that's it guys. As you can see, we are almost coming to the end of the video. Remember also, fish is also very healthy, turkey meat as well. It has a lot of vitamins, and they are also good for the immune system. Okay, so now I'm going to add half Maggi cube and salt to the sauce, and after tasting it, it was just good. The taste was just awesome. So now I'm going to add my fish to the sauce and stir properly, and after that I'm going to cover to let cook. So as you can see, we have come to almost the end of the video. My garden egg sauce is ready. So I'm going to use plantain and yam to eat this sauce. I already washed my plantain and yam, So now I'm going to add a little amount of salt. Remember, plantain is very, very healthy. It has a lot of iron. It is rich in iron. Okay, if you lack iron, I recommend plantain for you, the green one. Okay, it is very, very healthy. So that's it, guys. My sauce and yam is ready. So now I'm going to dish out my food, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe. Also like my Facebook page with the same name, Mama Triple N. And last but not the least, please help me to share the video. Share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.